These days, during a lot of people do multiple PRP sessions. I got my transplant 4 years back, and I haven't taken. I mean, I have taken just 2 PRP sessions since then. Moreover, you must have seen these days during your research, a lot of people do PRP sessions, multiple PRP sessions after transplant. And last time when you got the transplant done, those days PRP wasn't even there. So the result is still staying. Did you ever think about this PRP business this time around?
No, actually, see, we thought like the PRP is not going to solve our problem. So, like further, like before contacting you, we were doing research about PRP also. So, it will give a result which can retain your hair, but it cannot grow new hair follicles or hair, no?
And how about missing out on multiple PRP sessions which are gifted along with the transplant, which people say that, oh, we are offering you for free. How about that? Don't you feel that you are missing out on that?
No, sir. Actually, this free, I don't believe in, because if it's a quality, like just one should fill up the thing, not too many things.
Yeah, so just to add upon this, I got my transplant 4 years back, and I haven't taken, I mean, I have taken just 2 PRP sessions since then. So PRP is something which can help your hair, but you don't need those crazy monthly PRP sessions, because it is, even if it is coming for free, you are giving your own blood, undergoing so much of pain, and that too for an unnecessary exercise. And secondly, if you do it too often, the body tends to develop resistance, and then it again becomes useless. You lose an important tool which can actually help you to sustain the hair for long. So for those who live in different cities and they just don't they compromise on the quality of the clinic, or quality of the surgery, thinking that okay, so I'll get the surgery done at some place, but I'll miss out on those freebies of PRP sessions.